Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Jamaica, Zion. Reggae inna the jungle, yeah, man. Me close me eyes and me feel the wind. Ancient voices start to sing. Drums from Mali, flutes from Nile. We travel back in time a while. Me not in a plane, me soldiers fly. Me walk through sands under mystic sky. Me step in a village, children a play. Me hear me ancestors whisper and pray. Me see the lion, proud and strong. The baobab trees, them sing me song. Me hand touch soil so rich and black. Me spirit know me finally back. Me see a queen in robes of gold. She look on me and secrets unfold. You come from kings, from warrior line. You blood is truth, you soul divine. Africa calling, roots them growing like rivers flowing. Me overstanding, me heartbeat to drum me. I see far, me soul light up like morning star. Me not forget who me be. Me come from land, me come from sea. Return to motherland, me rise again. With ganja chant and healing rain. Me walk through Congo, Ghana and Cape. Each land a story, each hill a shape. The elders chant in sacred tongue. Me feel them fire in every lung. Me not lost youth, me find me way through Naya Bingi beats and African day. Me chant for peace, me chant for light. Me vision clear like mountain height. In a Ethiopia, me sip me brew. Herbs from heights, me thoughts feel new. Me sit with dreads, them full of lore. Them teach me things me never know before. The stars above speak the same. Them call I by me Rasta name. Me hold the herb, me hold the truth. Me step in power, me step in youth. Africa calling, roots them growing like rivers flowing. Me overstanding, me heartbeat to drum me. I see far, me soul light up like morning star. Me not forget who me be. Me come from land, me come from sea. Return to motherland, me rise again. With ganja chant and healing rain. Me nah need passport, me nah need plane. Me soul remember every name.
Aye. It's Zion time, yeah, man. Me rise on the shore with sun in on me face. Morning breeze, bring Jah embrace. Salt water cleanse me eye from sleep. Another day, fi climb Jah peak. Me roll one tight from herbs divine. Sacred smoke like ancient sign. Me chant pan sun, barefoot me roam. Earth is me temple, Jah is me home. Me hear the waves whisper secrets old. From time when prophets them walk bold. The tide speak truth, the wind reveal. What no man touch, Jah make real. Me meditate in a coconut tree shade. Every leaf tell story, them never fade. No system clock, no boss, no chain. Just me the sea and ganja rain. Rasta chant on the waves, calling peace from ancient caves. From the hills to the blue sea, me heart beat in harmony. Smoke rise like spirit fly. tree of ancestors watching over me. Me sip Ital soup, me give me praise. Me know Jah bless me all me days. And when the moon rise kiss the sea, me know me bless fi truly be. Me build a fire, me chant me prayer. Jah presence strong, me feel it near. Me no need gold, me no need fame. Me only need that sacred flame, burning in a chalice, burning bright, guiding me through darkest night.
Rasta chant on the waves, calling peace from ancient caves, from the hills to the blue sea. Me heart beat in harmony, smoke rise like spirit flight. Me walk by day, me float by night. Inna the rhythm, me soul behave. Me free, me chant on the waves.
Me meet a elder down by bay. Him say me son always trudge away. Me smile and nod, me already know. Me roots run deep like river flow. Me smoke me spliff with highest care. Me lift me mind in gentle prayer. No stress, no fight, just peace me bring. Me heart beat like a naya bingy drum ring.
So when the world get loud and mad, me return to shore where soul feel glad. Me chant alone or with me crew. The ocean and the fire make me new. Me Rasta life, me Rasta way. Me chanting morning, night and day. So if you're lost and seek some grace, come chant with me in this holy place.
No. Son over Zion, yeah, man. Jack lightning. Yeah. Early in the morning, me rise with the sun. Now ya bingy drum beat, we had just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade calling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of yeah man. Me step out of me yard with a lion heart, chalice in a hand, be ready for the start. Me now walk alone, me trod with a light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see a youths with no hope, no plan, but me say hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the stamp in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Me not dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth, where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me not throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston street to Berlin yard, one rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in a ear. Lion roar deep, no time for fear. Me dep on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system road, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that's a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me not need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line and blaze the earth fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes, bring the people insight. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near. Ay, 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 Rasta Zion. Roll this spliff. Inna the hills, far from city screen, we find the stillness like a sacred dream. No concrete, no flashing lights, just trees, breeze, and stars at night. Me barefoot step on earth so old, feeling the stories them ancestors told. Me carry drum and me carry flame. We call the spirit in Jah name. Me pitch me tent under holy sky. Me roll me herbs while owl fly by. Me hear the silence like ancient sound, so deep it shake me soul from ground. Me light up chalice, eyes turn red, but it's not fi forget, it's fi wake the dead. Me chant alone, but me not feel alone. Jah voice echo in every stone. Mountain chant, fire in the air. Me reason with trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drum beat, pure and natural rain. Me chant and me rise, me soul transcend. This liberty real, keep not pretend. High up here, me find me place. A Rasta in a nature's warm embrace. Me remember when me used to stress, denies the rush, the daily mess. But in the mountain, me find me pace. Me thoughts slow down, me heart embrace. Me sip some roots, me eat Ital stew. Everything simple, everything true. Me nah need dollar, nah need gold. This freedom deeper than what them sold. Fire blaze, me beat the drum. We call to Jah, we call for some peace for the youth, some strength for the poor, some light for the hearts Babylon ignore. Me chant till morning, meet me face, till the sun rise up and light the place. Me give thanks for the night, for the breath, for the fire. Me give thanks for every righteous desire. Mountain chant, fire in the air. Me reason with trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drum beat pure and natural rain. Me chant and me rise, me soul transcend. This liberty real, it not pretend. High up here, me find me place. A Rasta in a nature's warm embrace. This world too loud, too fast, too blind. People lose them heart, them soul, them mind. But the mountain teach, the herbs reveal what's fake, what's.
Oh yo yo, you Rasta smoke Kingston Kush inna the chalice, yeah man. Me see her walk on Zion Hill, dressed in green, she's standing still. Sunshine kiss her lock so neat, barefoot walking in the Ital heat. She carry chalice and a knowing smile. She say rest your soul, stay a while. Me heart beat fast, me breathe it slow. From the moment me meet her, me know she sweet like ganja. Oh yes indeed, she calm me mind, plant the seed. She blaze me spirit with love and light, lift me soul to Jah heights. She sweet like ganja, morning dew. Every drop feel like something new. Me empress, me fire, me guide, me way. With she me trod through night and day. She say, come sip from the sacred pipe. Let go Babylon, drop the hype. Under the Aki tree we chant and sing. See the melody in everything. She no wear gold, no diamonds flash, but a heart full of light that never crash. She teach me how to heal, not just high. She the ganja breeze in a me sky. Meditation time, early dawn. Birds are sing and the fog just gone. She boil the herbs and chant one psalm. Me spirit calm, me soul feel warm. We smoke, we reason overstand. We not need Babylon command. Her touch is pure, her words them true. Like the highest grade, me break through. Jah time me, be that on be journey. Show the nails and me zadest me work. It shine, that the me and me for the mercy. Jah time me bad day I'll burn. Jah time me, morning dew. Every drop feel like something new. Me empress, me fire, me guide, me way. With she me trod through night and day. Me used to chase things that never stay, but she teach I love in a Ital way. Me give her me trust, she give it back. Now we blaze together on one track. She grind the herb in coconut bowl, pass it to I, it heal me soul. We rise like steam, no stress, no fear. With ganja and love, Jah always near. Jah guide me, keep on the journey. Through the hills and the forest, me walk it sham. Weapon on me honey from the mercy. Jah tight man, me arcade atter. Jah guide me, morning dew. Every drop feel like something new. Me empress, me fire, me guide, me way. With she me trod through night and day. Jah guide me.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. Take out chalice, me sip from Me spirit born in the island breeze, where the coconut sway and the mind find ease. Barefoot on sand, me walk like dream, with chalice lit. Me sip from stream, me nah need clock. The sun tell time, me heart beat slow in a natural rhyme. Me roll me herbs in banana leaf, smoke rise high, carry away grief. Every breath me take is a gift from Jah. Every little wave a mystic bar. Me sit pan rock, watch fish them play, give thanks for the blessing of today. The island spirit calling me home, where the water sing and me soul just roam. No worry, no chain, no fight to fight, just ganja and love under moonlight. Me nah run, me nah hide, me just float on Jah tide, with roots so deep and vibes so high. Island spirit, me never say goodbye. Me grow me weed in a hilltop sun, blessed by rain and chant them run. Me share it round, me brethren smile. Inna the smoke, me feel just style. Me drum beat echo through bamboo trees. Me chant with birds, me dance with bees. Me queen bring fruit, me sing me song. Me days feel short, but the vibe stay long. Me no need no app, fi feel me best. Me find meditation pon the west. Me puff, me think, me rise in flight. Island spirit guide me light. Me sip and rock at the end of day. Watch the sunset melt worries away. Me close me eyes, me see Jah face. In a sea breeze, me find me place. Me not drift far, me not drift fast, just steady boat in a sea so vast. With every ripple, me get more clear. Me spirit strong, me mind draw near. With island spirit calling again, in a mango wine, in a healing rain. Me walk with peace, me step in time. Me heart full up with Jah design. Me no need city, me no need gold. Me treasure lie where stories told. With ganja eye and conscience pure, me soul secured, me love endure. Me go to river, wash me dread. Me wash me pain, me shake the dead. Me reason deep, with roots man wise. Him say Rasta live where truth never dies. Me take them words, me plant them seed. Me live by love, not Babylon greed. Me build me hut, me carve me name in a wooden song. Me claim me flame. Me see me youth run wild and free. Them laugh loud in the almond tree. Me queen smile wide, me cup overflow. Island spirit, this all me know. So when me leave in peace. Me soul well fed, me mind at ease. Me travel world, me hear many sound, but me roots in a island ground. So bless up life and light that fire. Chant the truth, rise ever higher. No matter where me end or start, island spirit living in me heart. Na 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 na, Rastaman grind the ganja, yeah, man. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating, Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace in a ganja haze. me soul release, each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way, living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we all firm. Like the lion we roar, with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey we never fold. Ay, 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 ganja, ganja is the life, yeah, man. From the hills of Zion, it grows so wild. Like wisdom whispered from Jah to the child. Me cut it fresh, still dripping dew. Sacred herb, me know you true. Me light this spliff with holy flame. Me not just smoke, me call your name. Jah planted fi we, not fi them lab. Me burn it clean, me nah need tab. Each puff a prayer, each drag a psalm. Me soul get still, me mind get calm. The smoke rise up, me spirit ascend. Me reason deep with Jah as me friend. This is me ganja song, me sacred song. Me chant it loud all the day long. Me no hide, me nah feel shame. Me light this fire in Jah name. Ganja Psalm, let it roll. Heal me heart, uplift me soul. Babylon try but them can't ban. This herb belong to Jah, not man.
Them call it illegal, them try for shame. But this herb grow before them name. Before the books, before the law. Herb a grow and me ancestors saw. In a Ethiopia or Westmoreland, it rise from the roots of Jah. Ital smoke in a clay chalice. Me sit in silence, me find me bliss. Me no promote for every man, but who know truth, them overstand. It open portals in the mind, reveal the things Babylon hide.
Me see through veil, me sight get clear. Me reason with angels, them draw near. This ain't no joke, no party puff. This is spiritual, deep and rough. Me chant in a grove where the wind a blow. Me feel earth pulse, me feel Jah flow. Them can't touch me in a space. Me soul shielded by Jah grace. This is me ganja psalms, me sacred sound. Me float like leaf, me not touch ground. Me blaze in peace, me chanting calm. Me link with Jah through ganja psalm. Me burn the fear, me rise above. Me full me lungs with sacred love. Me nah fi hide, me nah fi run. The herb and I, we move as one.
Early morning, sun a shine. Me roll a spliff, fi realign. Me sip me roots, me stretch me limb. Me chant a hymn, me mind no dim. Me teach the youth, show them path. Me tell them truth, me speak fi art. Me show them say, use herb not fi escape but fi realize. Ganja is key, not tie, not game. Not just high, but higher aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Unlock soul and set it free. Ganja flame, me light with pride. Me walk in truth, me nah go hide. Me live this way, cause me born this way. Me herb, me Bible, me smoke and pray. Jah bless me cup and fill me bowl. Let the herb uplift me soul. Me burn this fire in your name. Me sing me ganja psalm again. No, 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 no. No, no, Zion. Meditating at the jungle, yeah, man. Walking through the bush, barefoot again. Me feel the drum beat deep like rain. Me spirit touch the dirt. Me know me place. The roots call out in a natural base. Me light a spliff, give thanks for the seed. Ganja a guidance, not just for need. Me nah rush life, me move real slow. The tree grow tall when you let it flow. Me looking at the mirror of the mountain stream. Me see the youth, me see the dream. Me see ancestors in a mango tree. Whispering truths, only silence see. Truths don't lie, them hold the ground. Through Babylon eyes, me hear just sound. From zinc fence to the hillside high. Me hold me head, me spirit fly. Roots don't fake, them know the way. Through trials and dust, them never sway. So me sing, me chant, me blaze and try to live true love before me die. Me rise before dawn, inhale the steam. Ital pot bubble, sweet roots dream. Me queen they are, here in a rap. Reading psalms, pan coconut lap. Meditation under the Aki shade. Me reason bout the life Jah made. Me nah need no gold, no big estate. Me wealth in soul, me love create. Me plant, me heal, me share me fruit. Me chant rhythm pan a bingy flute. Me children growing in pure vibration. With ganja smoke and word sound education. From Africa breeze to Jamaica shore. Me feel the same beat, that open door. Drums call me name in a thunder roll. Me roots na fade, me roots na stole. Me now wear mask, me now play game. Me hold me crown, me claim me name. Every song me sing, me plant a tree. So the next generation grow free. Roots don't lie, them bear the truth. Inna every rasta, inna every youth. Them carry stories Babylon can buy. Them hold the key to just sky high. Roots now bend when storm blow hard. Them rise again in Jah reward. So me blaze, me dance, me stand and cry. Me roots hold firm, me not comply. Me say the earth on me school, every step I test. Me learn fi rest when stress get chest. Me not compete, me not pretend. Me trust the soil, me call it friend. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon rain. Him say youth just live and sustain. The roots you know, them carry light. Even in darkest, them shine bright. Me take that truth to heart and mind. Me walk with joy you can't define. Me sing it loud, pan rhythm me tell. Roots not lie, them ring like bells. So me chant in a yard, or pan stage light. Roots guide me step through day and night. Me smoke me herb, me bless me crew. Me roots and love forever true. In a Babylon maze, me hold me sign. Roots don't lie, them always align. Me nah go fake, me nah go hide. Me roots are truth, me soul's true guide.
fire. Smoke rise high like soul's desire. Me elder say, come you take seat. Feel the ground beneath your feet. This ain't just spliff, it's sacrament. This ain't no high, it's heaven sent. Me close me eyes, me spirit soar. Me see me ancestors open door. Them chant and dance in timeless grace. In Naya Bingi smoke me find me place. Naya Bingi smoke circle blaze and rise. Rasta soul fly to the skies. One draw, one beat, one holy chant. Love and unity all we want. Circle full of truth and flame. We burn Babylon but not with shame. Jah guide we step, Jah hold the space. Smoke of wisdom filled with grace. Me nah need palace, me nah need crown. Me need one rhythm fi hold me down. Me need me crew, me need me herb. Me need some space fi bend Jah word. Inna the circle, me release pain. Me tears drop on the mountain plain. But me brethren hold me, me nah fall. Them say rise up, youth stand tall. Drum beat deep like heart of the earth. Each rhythm a echo of rebirth. Me chant don't fear, me chant up peace. In the smoke, me find release. Drum beat talk, fire spark. Wolf now howl when lion bark. We not just smoke, we elevate. We vibrate high, we shift the state. The herbs connect we to Jah mind. Reveal the truth, them try hide behind. Meditation, not just sit. It's fire chant, it's soul commit. Naya Bingi smoke circle pure and wise. Truth in a rhythm, not disguise. We inhale light, exhale stress. We bless the earth, and earth bless. One drum, one draw, one sound unite. We burn in darkness, still shine bright. Gather the brethren, gather the queen. Let the smoke wash we spirit clean. Me float like feather, light and free. Me see the river, run to sea. Me spirit travel back in time to pyramids and ancient sign. Me see Marcus pon the lion throne. Me see Bob singing with tone unknown. Me see the youth rise from despair. Me see the people start to care. Circle na break, we keep it round. Each puff of smoke a sacred sound. Me nah lose self in Babylon's race. Me find me roots, me find me grace. Pass the chalice, pass the flame. We nah smoke fi fortune or fame. We smoke fi connect, fi share, fi heal. Fi turn illusion into real. So next time you feel alone and small, find the drum, answer the call. Circle calling, come take seat. The Naya Bingi rhythm can't be beat.
Oi, 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 Kingston skunk smoke, ya man.
Me wake up on me earth stranded. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth now come from system life. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand pan roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk Jah way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw. Me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills where I'm real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow me dread. Each season season pass, me nah lose head. The fire in me, not from rage, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil, me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause, me chant the psalms, me praise Jalas. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We not need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold your love and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jaja throne. Me soul and the smoke alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see your light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth stone chant me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Aye, aye, aye. Big spliff with coconut, yeah, man. Me step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. Me feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. Me carry no phone, me carry no chain. Just a spliff, a drum and a mind so plain. Me walk through mist and mango trees. Me chant ancient words carried by breeze. Me not in a rush, me in a flow. Me reason with river and let wisdom grow. Me meet an elder by a roots mandate. Him say youth, take time, don't move with hate. Him light a chalice, pass it slow. Tell story about time when the vibes did blow. Me listen close with a humble ear. Each word a jewel, each pass sincere. The path not straight, but it's always true. When you walk with Jah, you find what's true. Through the hills of Iration, me soul finds salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heart beats in a natural state. No clock rule me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. Me chant with birds, me reason with sky. Me live and love till the day me fly. In a valley, me find a quiet spring. Me sit and write songs for the most high king. No stage, no fame, just me and Jah. A coconut, a fire and the Ital. Me reflect on life, how Babylon rush. How them chase vanity and forget lush. But me know, say simplicity a key to unlock joy and truly be free. We climb to the top of the sacred hill with chalice light and a silent will. Me look down and see the world a spin. Me give thanks that me live from within. Herbs grow wild and the rhythm plays slow. Drum echo in a valley, let the healing flow. Me inhale truth and exhale fear. Rastafari speak, me ears them clear. Through the hills of Iration, me soul finds salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heart beats in a natural state. No clock rule me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. Me chant with birds, me reason with sky. Me live and love till the day me fly. Me rise when sun me day with thankful grieves. Me no pain, me no joy, me no test. But Rasta teach me how to rest. No need for war, me need harmony. No need for stress, just melody from Ethiopia. Na na na, Rastaman is so high. Me rise early, sunrise aglow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw. Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds are sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me charge a path like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine. Ital vibration rising on me soul. Me nah bout fi silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital vibration run through me vein. Wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew on firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give your name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Me no envy who a flask champagne. Me sip coconut under the rain. Me reason with elders both overstanding. Me ground myself while Babylon crash landing. Me plant me food and me harvest joy. Me teach me youth them not destroy. Me smoke me weed, fi clarity mind. Me burn illusion, me seek and find. All is vital, no doubt about that. Me not touch poison from them pot. Me grow me own, me reap me meal. Me live so clean, me spirit heal. Me no need million fi feel success. Me need the rhythm fi ease the stress. Me not in a war, me dey in a peace. Me burn Babylon from west to east. Me trod in a silence, me step is loud. Me soul chant louder than the crowd. Me link up nature, me full me cup. Me give Jah thanks when sun come up. Ital vibration, higher than plane. Me ride rhythm like lion mane. Ganja meditation ease the strain. Me chant in a thunder, me sing in a rain. Ital vibration, me armor strong. Me walk through fire with sacred song. No man can stop when truth belong. Me live this liberty all life long. Me wrap me turban, me lock me ear. Me praise Jah Jah everywhere. Me live for Zion, me chant for light. Me blaze me herbs in a full moon night. Me honor me queen, me protect me king. Me listen when I bring a drum them sing. Me live humble, me carry peace. Me know the power of the Rasta speech. Me dep on a mission, not just a vibe. Me build foundation, me build the tribe. Me no sell out for no quick gain. Me hold the line like lion chain. Ital food pamphlet, meditation elevate. No beef, no hate. Me chant love before it's late. Rasta liberty, me live true. Me burn lies, me sip dew. In a hills or city view, me Ital life away shine true. Ay, 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 ay. Ganja, ganja, smoke with Rastaman. Sunrise come on me veranda. Steam chalice bubble, no drama. Me open eye, me give thanks for life. Me cut the fruit with me Ital knife. Me no need nothing fancy, just a little breeze. Some roots in a cup and a spliff for ease. Me check the garden, me plants them dance. blessings drop like jar romance. Me queen cook callaloo with the yam. Me youth them laugh, me heart feel calm. Every little thing a part of just sign. So me chant this line every time. Bless up every time when the sun come true. Bless up every time when the sky turn blue. Bless up the herb and the love we grow. Bless up Jah light and the peace we know. No worry in a mind, no shadow and soul. Me walk with Jah, me feel all, so me dance, me sing. Me hold the line and me say bless up every time.
Me burn a spliff under the guava tree. The smoke rise like a prayer for free. Me reason with elders, learn them way. Them teach me how to live each day. Now rush nothings, me move like breeze. Life a lesson, you just have to seize. Me wear me dread like a crown divine. Me vibe too clean, fi Babylon sign. Inna me hut, me read some Jah scroll. Me heart feel warm, me spirit all. Me not chase likes, me chase peace. Inna roots and rhythm, me find release. Me float on sea like a coconut shell. The current guide me like Rasta spell. Me meditate to the wave them roll. Me bless each breath, me free me soul. The island breeze whisper sweet word. Me hear it clear like a sacred bird. Me see Jah works in the coral reef. Inna every petal, inna every relief. Bless up every time in a moonlight glow. Bless up the vibes when the ganja flow. Bless up the rhythm, bless up the sound. Bless up the people them just around. Me no need riches, me no want fame. Me just want peace in a Jah name. So me smile, me reason, me write this rhyme and me chant bless up every time. Now ya bingy fire burn at night. Me feel the drumming deep in a sight. Me brethren chanting a sacred chord. Me soul explode in a love overload. Me link with elders from St. Ann Hills. Them tell me about faith and natural skills. Me roll up the herbs with reverence eye. Every puff me take reach just sky. Me not fight no war, me bring one vibe. Me build me life on the love tribe. Me journey long, but me step strong. And me spirit know where me belong. So me hold me youth, me kiss me queen. Me give thanks for everything in between. Me light the fire, me bless the space. Me live me life in a Rasta grace. From mountain top to ocean line. Me say it loud, me make it mine. Me nah go wait for no perfect sign. Me just give thanks, bless up every time.
Ay, 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 Rasta Vitos. Inna the truck, yeah, man. Back, herb stock, walking through the haze. Me take this road in a mystic blaze. Every step, me chant up psalms. Just on above, the earth stay calm. No GPS, no plan, no guide. Me follow the breeze and me in a vibe. Mountains rise like Zion sign. Me feel the message in a divine. I'm on a Dubwise, Pilgrim treading slow. Blazing high and thinking low. From concrete jungle to hills afar. Me follow rhythm like a shooting star. Roll up the leaves, give thanks and light. Inna me lungs, the flame ignite. Me see colors no eye can see. Inna smoke, me spirit free.
No police can jail me mind. Me free as breeze, me unconfined. Me born it for peace, not to escape, but for enter I am
a shooting star. I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim. Whoa, treading slow, no need for system. Blazing high in sacred time. Yes, me soul aligned, me heart a chime. Me cook a Ital in a coconut shell. Me chant a smokes that rise and swell. Drum beat echo from the distant land. Me link up brethren with healing hand. No gold chain, no flashy things. Me wealth is wisdom, not diamond rings. Me house made of bamboo and stone, but me temple is me flesh and bone.
Me nah preach hate, me build and teach. Me smoke and chant like ancient speech. Me live in time, not in race. Me know Jah light in every face. This reggae music heal the soul. Me story deep, me rhythm bold. And even when the Babylon try, me rise again and touch the sky.
I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim, rootsman style. Walking long but walking smile. Herb in me chalice, chant in me chest. Me charge a road and me manifest. Jack pilgrim in a smoke and sun. Shun forward, always forward. The rhythm never done. Dubwise mission just begun. Jack pilgrim in a smoke and sun. Shun forward, always forward. The rhythm never done. Dubwise mission just begun.
Fire upon Babylon. Yeah, man. Me wake on mountain, me so high. Herbs in a hand, me reach to sky. Me heart beat slow, me soul beat fast. Me come from roots, me hold me past. Me no need no gold or tree. Me crown is roots, me robe is rain. Me queen from womb, me blaze the fire. Me chant for peace, me rise higher. Me walk through jungle barefoot free. The river talk, the tree them see. Me light a spliff in the grace. Ganja kiss me in sacred place. Me nah fi hide, me nah fi fight. Me dance with moon, me hold the night. Me see the system from afar, but me focus on the inner star. Lioness of the light, blazing herbs in the night. Me nah run from the fight. Me burn through till it bright. Me love deep, me live wise. Me reflect Jah inna me eyes. Lioness inna the storm. Secret fire keep me warm. Them wonder how me smile so calm while the world go on like it lose the charm. But me listen to me ancestors' voice. Them tell me peace is always a choice. Me sip me tea from roots and leaf. Me plant me food, me build relief. Me skin glow from sun and care. Me walk strong, Jah everywhere. Me no Babylon girl, me Rasta soul. Me read prophecy, me play the role. Me chant in a grove, me bathe in sea. Me love run deep like ancient tree. And when me cry with sky. Me tears water, the earth dry. Me no afraid fi feel the pain, 'cause from that soil come healing rain. Lioness of the light, blazing herbs in the night. Me nah run from the fight. Me burn through till it bright. Me love deep, me live wise. Me reflect Jah inna me eyes. Lioness inna the storm. Sacred fire keep me warm. Me no need fancy, me need roots. Me chant
children and elders flutes. Me share me herb, me share me song, me kingdom